I am making this boho braids with 100% human hair from Ywigs.com. This package came in two different types of human hair, the Afro Kinky and curly bulk hair extension. It has a comb and of course crochet pin. This is the Afro Kinky bulk hair I'll be using on my daughter, and this is the curly wave. For this knotless bohemian braids, I am using just one pack of the Afro Kinky and about half of the body wave. This tells you that the hair is full, very full. It is soft. It is pure human hair, 100% human hair. It feels so soft to touch and very light. My daughter always reacts to synthetic hair because it gives her like this tingling feel once it touches her hair. But for this 100% human hair, she was still till the end of the braiding. I sectioned my daughter's hair and using my jam to get a perfect section. All you need to do is oil the hair lightly, like I just did. Honestly, once you oil it, it's gonna come out very well. And I began to use the Afro Kinky to braid her hair. And I attached the curly, the body wave at the side. Just watch me as I do this bohemian braid. It turns out to be very, very good. This hairstyle is perfect for school. For every child that is resuming this fall. Imisi goes to school this fall, so I thought of a style to make on her hair, and this is just the perfect hairstyle for her age type, and not too bulky, not too stressful, and then it just came out very well. Everybody began to talk about it when they saw my daughter on this bohemian braid. They were like, oh my goodness, this hair looks so good. All right, links to purchasing the hair is in the description of this video. I bet you're gonna love it. Continue to watch the end. I bet you don't want to stop watching. This hair is just honestly the best for summer back to school. If you have a lovely daughter, kindly consider buying this hair and then making this type of hairstyle. She's gonna love it. She's gonna look super duper sweet. you.